Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. It's your girl Nika the bestest, and today I will be showing you how to get your hair bone straight or close to straight. Here I'm just putting on some Vaseline. Yep, gotta keep those lips moisturized, girl. Then we have some water. Great value. Yep, drink up, girl. All right, so let's get started on this hair. So first I will be taking out just a couple of strands in the back, and I like to start from the bottom back and work my way up to the frontal part. That, mind you, this is a wig. This hair is not really on my head, even though I'm acting like it is. Look at me, y'all. All right, so let's get started. Y'all see that? Crazy. All right, let's get you a weave brush and start brushing it. You need a weave brush or some type of wide comb to detangle it first. Then you're going to get your rat tail comb or any type of comb that looks like this to detangle it just a little bit more. See how that's detangles. And now you're going to get your flat iron. I was trying to show you guys that I had it on $3.95, but it wasn't showing. But yes, you're going to get your flat iron, and this is by Conair, and I got this a while ago. You could see that it's very torn up and you've been used like crazy, but it's a really good flat iron, and I got it through a paid programmings on TV. I was just persuaded and I wanted to get it, so I got it, and it's been really good to me. It heats my hair up with one pass through. One, guys, just one. You don't need no more, just one. So what I will recommend is a good flat iron. Do your reviews, look it up, make sure it's worth the price. You don't want to keep on repurchasing cheap ones that are not even good. So yep, that's what I would recommend if you're looking for a good flat iron. And guys, I opened my back curtain and I was like, oh my gosh, wow. Let me close that. Back to business. So we're just going to brush out that hair we just straightened. Look how bone straight, y'all, that is. Look at it. Look. All right, now time to get out some more. I always just put the flat ironed hair to the back, and then I bring out the ones that I'm about to flat iron. I bring it towards my chest so I don't get it mixed up too much, and I try my best to use two scrunchies, one for the flat iron hair and the other one to keep the curly hair separated from each other, if that makes sense. All right, so again, you're gonna brush it out first, make sure it's detangled, then get it more detangled with your rat tail comb and get that flat iron. Now you guys, flat iron might be different. You might need a couple more passes just to get it that bone straight. I've had another flat iron before that I've got from the beauty supply store, and I had to use it a couple of passes just to get this hair straight. So this flat iron was my best bet, and I'm so glad I already had it. Like, why didn't I use that one at first? I used a cheaper one and it just didn't work, guys. It didn't. I wonder if you guys hear that sound in the background. I'm at school and we have a marching band and they're practicing. What a great time for me to record. Seriously, what a great time. And then someone would be, you know what? And we're back. So hopefully it's quiet enough for me to record now. Hopefully. But yeah, basically you're just doing the same thing. I forgot to mention that I am doing the chase method, which is when you take the flat iron and put the rat tail comb right beside each other and just flat iron. Like I said, I am at school, college, so we do have a marching band and they're practicing really close. So you will hear them in the background. If you don't, that's great. Alright, look at that, and it's so luscious and shiny, and you might see a lot of smoke, but I just think my camera was just catching every single little thing, so it wasn't that bad of smoke. And honestly guys, it can't be any more simpler than this, so I'll just let you guys watch and hope you guys enjoy.